Okay, let's practice parking in a parking lot. Putting the back in on the right side. So the first step is to center your vehicle in the middle of the open area between the end of the line there and the end of the line there. Half of this space is yours. Just leave sufficient space on your left so a vehicle could actually get by you. So right now we're going straight. So we need to back the car in on the right beside that blue car over there. So we place the right signal on, move slowly. Well, this guy, okay, he's going out. Okay, so we're in the middle. We keep going until the back bumper of your car is in the middle of the lane that blue vehicle is in. And we need to back into this parking space on the right. So you keep going until the back bumper of your vehicle is in the middle of this lane. Not the middle of the car, but the lane that it's in. So we keep going straight. And then you see those little black things on the back of my car? That's the spoiler. And that's the end of the car. So you want to make sure the end of the car is in the middle of the lane that car is in. So we're just about there. So we stop completely. Place the gear selector to reverse. Now we're backing in on the right, so we turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. And then we check all around, make sure it's okay, no kids playing around, nothing moving. Then you ease off the brake and let the car do the job, and you constantly check as you're backing into the parking space. Now let the front go around until it is straight in that lane, which is opposite the space that you need. So you keep going, and now it's straight, you stop. Straighten the wheel to the left, clock, then clock again, hand over hand, check around, and then you back up in a straight line. All the way in while checking, and that's it. Apply the parking brake, place the gear selector to park, and you're done. So you've just backed into a parking space on the right side in a parking lot.